What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video. Man, I got the purple bike back there. I got the truck up there, man. It's time to load it up and take it to the winner, man. He should be off work in a couple hours, so we should be getting there literally right when he gets off work. So let's load this thing and get it up out of here and go see its expression, man. Let's go get it going. Last time we'll be having this purple thing on the back. Got that joint all loaded up. Ready to go, man. Let's get the gas station and hit the road, Jack. Alrighty. Got that thing gassed up. Now off to the beach city. Whew, that purple looking cold under that light, dog. Alrighty. Man, that was a long freaking little ride, dog. Whew, the sun is out. My legs is hurting, but we good to go. Got a gas up. We about 45 minutes out from the winter spot. So, man, let's just gas this thing up and get right back on the road. We almost there. That thing gleaming and screaming, dog. Alrighty, guys. So we have just made it out here, man. We are just about at bro's crib, man. We about to pull up, offload this thing, and see what he think, man. Let's pull up and see what it do, dog. Yo. What's up, man? What's good with you, man? Finally, nice to meet you, man. It's been cool. What's up? How you doing, man? Nice to meet you, man. Following you too. Oh, man, I appreciate it. He pulled up. He was like, man, you getting a bike? I gotta pull up. Oh, the Boondocks. Okay. Oh, yeah, you got the for show graphics on there. Okay. I can dig that. Man, you got to check out that joint, man. We done drove way out here, dog. Oh, yeah, I see. You got the little paint kit on there. That shit look hard. It's different for sure. It's different for sure. All right, man. Just pulled up. Today go. Man, that thing is shining, dog. It was nice knowing you, purple thing. That thing is super clean, man. I can't wait. It was windy on the road, kind of blew off some of that little rubber piece, man. I let my boy get to it, but we gonna offload this thing. Get my boy on this thing, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Good looking, man. How you like it? Man, I love it. Yeah, it look good or what? For sure, man. Well, let's offload this joint real quick, player.
What's so funny? He called me. He was like, "Really, I want a bike. I said, man, get you a bike. It's auto therapy, right?"
Yeah.
And then he was talking about it a week. I was like, yeah. I was like, man, get you a bike. You know what I'm saying? He was like, man, I'm thinking about it. Get you a bike. Next thing you know, he called me, "Kelly, I want a bike. I said, I'm happy for you. Man, I'm more happier than him.
Hey, that's funny, dog. Yeah, no, that's cool, man.
I'm hella excited.
So you said you ain't rode since riding a dirt bike, huh?
Who you ride with?
I was just riding solo, man.
Yeah, me too.
That's what I'm trying to do. I ain't trying to enjoy nobody.
Yeah, it's gonna be. Hey, everybody needs to hear you.
I'm already doing it.
They hear, man, so many. I know too many people, so I don't want to ride with nobody because I know too many people.
Yeah, that's how it is.
Good people, man. Trying to move you around. I'm trying to ride.
Man, y'all see what's going on. Just offloaded the bike, man. My boy over here liking it, man. You see that thing, man? Gotta hop on this joint for a man.
I ain't gonna ride right now, though.
He said, I'm nervous.
I'm gonna ride this one.
Hey, man, when you gotta send me a video you popping clutch or something, man. You know my YouTube is waiting for it, man. Man, this thing is nice, dude. I gotta get one last walk around before I did, man. This thing is so clean. I'm digging it. I can't wait to see you in these streets, man. I hope you go to Arizona. You feel me?
Appreciate you,
man. I hope you go to Arizona, man. Make it wherever you go, man. Be safe on this thing. It's a nice bike, so.
I'm going on that raffle again too.
Oh yeah, most certainly, man. If y'all, I'm glad you brought that up, man. My boy brought it up, man. Y'all see, he just won this bike, man. How many tickets did you buy, man?
3.
He bought 3 tickets. $300 for this Harley right here, and he got to choose. And he got to choose any, any color he wanted. So that thing looked good, man. And that purple is hidden. I ain't gonna even hold you. That purple and chrome is hidden for sure. So yeah, we got another raffle going right now, man. We just about halfway sold out. We just started it about 6 hours ago, man. So make sure y'all tune in to the raffle, man. By the time y'all see this video, we'll probably have about 25 tickets left, to be honest with you. But it is what it is, man. So y'all, man, if y'all see my boy in traffic, man, make sure you throw up the deuces, man. Y'all see what's going on, though. Yes, sir. Alrighty, man. We just dropped that thing off, man. My boy was excited. That's dope. That's dope. Can't wait to hear some good stories and see him on a freaking road, man. Slide and glide, man. That's what we doing this year. We putting everybody on bikes, man. I can't wait. Everybody getting on bikes this year, dog. We're gonna put all y'all on the bike, man. So if you guys want a chance to get on the bike, man, enter the raffle right now. Go to the description below and get your ticket, because it could be you next. I could be delivering this to you next at your front door. So y'all already know how it go, man. If you haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Let's get back to the crib, though. Man, your boy tired of gassing up, but the trip was well worth it. Definitely a fun trip. Almost back at the crib. Trying to hop on my bike now, man. Before it get too dark out. Alrighty, guys, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. We just made it back to the crib, man. We got only the red bike in the back, man. We got the other bike down at Dre's shop right now, man. That raffle is live. So if you guys like what you've seen today, and you guys want a chance at being the winner, man, make sure you guys enter the raffle right now. It is live. We just dropped it like not even 24 hours ago, and it's less than like 50 tickets left, guys. So if you guys are interested, make sure you click that link below and go get your tickets now. Man, ask for the purple bike, man. That thing is gone. It's on its way. It has got to its destination, man. So just working on the next one, man. Trying to get that next one painted up and trying to figure out what color we're gonna get, man. So stay tuned, and we're gonna get this show on the road, man. So if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Thanks for hanging with your boy today, man. I appreciate that, man. Peace.